Sorry guys, I'm muted. What's up Wayne, what's up Steve? Alright, so no news this morning. We've had some Fed speakers last night. And yeah, some interesting things going on with the yen. So let's first have a look here at gold. Yesterday our trade actually ran really nicely, but we got stopped out at break even. I think our entries were around about here and got stopped out at break even. Would have never hit our stops, but yeah, continued moving down for the rest of the day. It is what it is. We did secure 70 pips right there on sells yesterday. And yeah, we've had some retracement here this morning. So your 4-hour closed quite bullish, but overall we are still very bearish. Alright, so we do want to be sticking to the sells, and I'm not really interested in buys at all. So we've just about tapped into this previous support level right here, and we are forming resistance right now. So your hourly is closed bearish, which is a nice confirmation for me that we formed resistance. The one thing I would want to see on this hourly candle now is a top wick to be formed before we look for some sells here. If we're taking sells, right, we've got clean traffic. Sorry. Clean traffic to 1630 basically, where we could potentially go break even. So let's see here. It's about 10-11 pips. So if we can come up, create a top wick, and then maybe re-break these lows, getting some sells on the break of that low, we've got about 10 pips to get to break even, and then there's a lot of room for runners here. So for today, I'm looking for price to move into 16,685. Alright, so I got my first targets at 16,24,750, and then final targets for the day or for the session 16,16. And like I say, at this point in time, just waiting for a top wick to be formed on the hourly, and then we could potentially be taking some sells off of resistance here. What's up Jared, what's up Moto, Gamerzone, what's up guys, Retha. No worries Wayne. Alright, here on GJ, let's have a quick look on GJ. Overall, we are still bullish here. Your daily candles closed bearish, but look where we're closing. Alright, we're retesting some significant price areas right here, and your 4 hours clearly forming support on this previous daily resistance area. Like I say, overall we are bullish. The idea with CPI didn't play out yesterday. We took no trades here on GJ. We've had some movement to the downside, but with this movement to the downside, we are just grabbing liquidity to continue moving up. So right here, price is in a little bit of a range consolidation, but above 168,650, right above this resistance, we look pretty good for buys. Right, so a little bit tricky to determine resistance here. You got a level right here on the 30-minute. On the hourly, you got a level here. Right, so I'm just looking at the 4-hour, the higher time frame, and I found resistance right there. But then if we scale down to an hourly, you look left, you got support, resistance. I've just moved this level down onto that level right there. So if we take buys above 168.650, that'll be my first target, 169.150. And this range is 49 pips. Above 169.150, you do have a little bit of a troublesome area. So if we're holding buys, we could potentially hold them through this area, but I wouldn't be taking buys within this area. Final targets for the morning will be 170 flat. Good morning, guys. Alright, so this is my plan for the morning. Buys above 168.660 and potential buys above 169.350. Then here on gold, alright, so we filled that initial range. We were talking about that. Clean traffic down to 1630. So that was the idea with the sells here. We just never got a top wick on this hourly candle. Which is fine. It's really fine. We just wait now and see if price sets up for London Open. GJ, you got resistance right here. But based off your 4-hour, let's have a quick look here. Like I say, 4-hour we have formed support. We did close bullish on that last 4-hour candle. If we re-break, if we break these highs, I would expect us to fill the range up to 168.660. But this, it doesn't leave us with that much range. Yeah, I think it would be a lot better if we had a closure above this level. Gold, I'm not knocking up any potential trades just yet. I want to see how price is setting up before London Open. Like I say, keeping my eye on sells. I'm not interested in buys. We could pull back deeper here. You know, maybe into 1635, 1640, 1638. So we just gotta wait and see. My power's off this morning, so I haven't been able to have my morning smoothie. So forgive me if I'm a little bit out of it. Yeah, something I wanted to speak about. GJ. Overnight we've been having some stealth interventions, they call it. So we saw a currency intervention a couple weeks ago, and we had some insane volatility on GJ. Now we've had some stealth interventions through the night, which has caused some volatility. You won't really see any headlines on it, but you could potentially see it in the price action, where you just get these little spikes in price. So we've been speaking about that this week. Just something we need to be careful of is these potential interventions from the Bank of Japan, which we saw last time, causing a lot of volatility. What's up, Luke? I'm expecting GJ to fill this range, but I'm not going to execute on these bars. Like I say, this is my plan for the day. This is what I'm going to stick to. What's up, Jared? Good, thanks, and yourself? Yeah, I can. I see you had a busy day yesterday. Oh yeah, DJing. Lekker. Okay. You doing the sound or like you actually DJing?
To the mixing of the actual live music.
Okay.
Uh,
That's dope.
I must actually send you a video.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Showing you the board I work on and stuff like that.
Easy.
No, but I actually think I have a photo. Let me just quickly get one.
We can do a Zoom call and join the party.
Yeah. It'll be dope.
Stream can join as well. Chat can join.
Testing plus seeing what the fuck Jared is doing. Yeah.
I need to actually adjust the pips here for the week.
Oh yeah. Just give me a second. Oh yeah, I'm gonna send you a photo of it on Discord, I think. Probably be the easiest. I'll send it on the Forex one.
Alright.
Jeez, gold's coming down nicely. If we respect 1635, we should be able to break down to yesterday's lows there.
Yeah, I agree. I'm looking to target yesterday's lows. Yeah, like I said, just waiting for price to set up here for London Open. This hourly candle looked nice for sells on the break of the low to at least fill this range to 1630, which was like 10 pips, which it did, but there was no top wick, so
Yeah.
just gotta wait now.
Yeah, but I definitely think if we respect obviously resistance at 1635, then we're definitely going to see something today.
Yeah, I agree. Even if we break above there, I mean, we could retest like 1640 and still be bearish.
Yeah. I definitely still see it being bearish, even if we come up to like 1646, because that was quite a support level that took a long time to break.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, we could definitely pull back into these areas. That would be a slightly deeper pullback, and you'd probably have to wait a little bit longer for setups here. Because like I said, I'm not interested in buys.
I could see buys playing out if you respect the support we're currently at like 1630. But that will obviously just be a quick little scalp up. Nothing like,
Yeah.
okay, cool, we're going to hold this trade for 60, 70 pips.
Yeah, I mean, buys could play out like on the lower time frame.
Yeah.
But personally, I would rather wait for it to set up for the sells here.
Yeah, I must admit, I'd also feel a lot more comfortable in sells today.
I'm just patiently waiting for the power to come on so I can eat something.
Just I was laughing last night when I saw that story you put up of your dinner versus Kaylee's dinner. Kaylin's dinner, sorry.
Kaylin, yeah. Yeah, my friend commented my food looked like shit. Nah, man. It wasn't that bad. Chicken and rice and veg. Nah, that's health right there. How do you think you get in tip-top condition like me?
But I mean, she also had chicken, so...
Yeah, nice healthy chicken wrap.
Yeah, I didn't see the issue.
From KFC. For the gains. What's up, Taran? Oh, Taran, I must check in with you. Are you in town? Oh, Wayne, best believe. Best believe. I was just away this past weekend, so on my way home, I stopped past the farm store and bought some chili sauce. Kak nice. Just look at this guy. Taran, dude. Already. Never even got a chance to say hello. Yeah, I was just saying, looking at the dollar index here, we did close nice and bullish yesterday. So definitely potential to continue driving up today. But at the same time, there's almost a little bit of a range going on here. So we'll have to see. Chad. This is Shaker. Why did he change his name to Chad?
Sure, like, who's this new mod?
Nah, I just see the display picture. Hey Shaker, let's have a chili eating competition. So he just removed the NRA and then became Chad. So yeah, if we break above resistance here on the dollar index, you're gonna see most likely a higher time frame continuation with dollar strength, and that would obviously result in further sell-off here on gold.
The only thing I'm struggling with gold now is moving down without a top wick on the 30.
Yeah, and the hourly, I mean, that's a problem.
So I could definitely see gold coming down, retesting like 26, and then driving up again to create that top wick. But yeah, we're just gonna have to see what happens. Still got London open in half an hour, so we're all good.
Yeah, this top wick is gonna actually be a problem. If we drive down without a top wick on the hourly, it's definitely gonna hang in the back of my mind here.
Yeah.
But what would be nice is, yeah, this is the setup that didn't play out the other day. I felt like an idiot for trying something new. But if the hourly closes with no top wick, London open, we drive up, form the top wick. You know, maybe lower time frame we get that set up for some sales. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'm not going to take such an aggressive position, but if we do close, let's say below 1630 on the hourly, next hourly candle drives up, forms a top wick here, and then we come back down and flip. You know, I may get involved in on the flip entry, something like that. I don't know if you can picture that, chat.
Jeez, I can picture that, and that just sounds risky.
Sounds what?
Risky.
It sounds fucking on point.
Uh,
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Still like 33 minutes until London Open.
yeah.
GJ, just playing around right now. We may close above here on GJ, but I don't really want to be taking trades after 8:30. I'd rather wait for 9 o'clock. Jared,
Yeah.
you play golf, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna play golf sometime.
Yeah.
Nico and I are practicing at least once a week. We're getting our practice in. Yesterday we realized that we're actually starting to get a little bit more consistent.
Oh, yeah.
So
Have you guys played a course yet?
Nah, we're gonna give it maybe 2 more weeks.
Oh, yeah. You guys must just jump in there.
Yeah, I think so, because I mean we're not too bad. Just need to practice with the driver. So I've just been hitting like the normal irons and I've got it down, but like the driver, I don't know, dude. I don't know why my balls just go all over the place.
Oh, you must actually just like videotape your swing and then see.
We came to that conclusion yesterday because we took a video just for Gears. And then I was
Yeah.
like, okay, well, yeah, we can actually see what we're doing wrong in the video, so we'll have a look.
Yeah, that helps out a lot, yeah.
Oh, Jared, you moved, Wayne.
No, I'm gonna undo it now.
I saw something from Wayne, but I didn't get to read it fully.
Yeah.
It's asking something about chili sauce.
Oh, shucks, yeah, that's
No
stupid
problem,
bot.
I'm not emotional.
That stupid bot came up. I didn't see who I was.
Wayne, you stupid bot. I'm just joking. I think Wayne said something. Do I like hot or not so hot? I like hot. I'll eat pretty hot food. Yeah, Jared, are you in the kitchen there or what?
Sorry, I'll be back now.
Chinese curry. Shaker, what do you think of this Chinese curry story? Is that a thing? Yeah, nice closure here on GJ. I would expect us to fill this range now. Sent a chart to Discord, let's have a look. Yeah, that's nice, Luke. sells to 166,900. Yeah, I think that's a decent target for sells. You don't want to get too bearish, because the thing is, if we do break below this support area at 167, yeah, if we break below this area, you could see price obviously move down, maybe fill this range right here, but you need to be aware that we'll start to tap into some higher time frame support areas where we could potentially see bounces and higher time frame continuations off of these levels. But you could definitely be executing on sells on the lower time frames below the support. Like I say, this range right here is actually very clean. The sells below there don't look too bad. And then yeah, I see you got that trend line in, which lines up nicely basically with the level we have up here, 168,660. Because you can see basically if price were to break above that resistance, we're also breaking above this trend line. So yeah, it looks solid. Shaker told me. What's the tastiest thing? Profits. Yeah, come on guys, let's stop talking about curry and let's get to spread. What is gold doing? We're just moving down, no top wick. After
I was
no
just
top
about
wick.
to say, we also had a very decisive point on the daily. We're literally at daily open right now.
Is it flipping on the daily?
Yeah. It's looking so nice for sells, but she's moving down without top wicks is just horrendous.
Yeah, it's tough. I would have much rather have been in sells on the break of that previous hourly low, up at like 1632, 1631.
But still, we wouldn't have entered it because it didn't have that top wick. So the
yeah, exactly.
probabilities of it flipping just were horrendous.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a good way of looking at it. No setup, it's just moving down.
Yeah. These things happen, you know, sometimes price is going to move the way you've planned it to move, but it's not going to give you an entry, and you can't force anything, because that's your plan, and you need to stick to your plan. Because if you make an exception today and you do something that is out of your plan and you do it tomorrow, then that becomes a habit, and most probably a bad habit.
%. I'm ordering Indian tonight. I don't know if he's talking about food or those other things he likes.
Oh wow, Steve, yeah, you set yourself up for failure with that.
God, yes.
Indian on the corner of the street there.
Yeah. I asked him to tikka his salah. Can I stop before I get cancelled?
Yeah.
But I think that joke went over the heads of like 90% in chat that doesn't know Steve.
Oh yeah, I know, probably. Jared is crazy. Jared is a Molnai, as we say.
Wow. Hey, when I put you in timeout once, don't test me here. I showed you I'm capable of it.
Not everyone likes chicken tikka.
Yeah, goodness.
What the fuck?
Jeez, all the mods have just ganged up against me today. All we need is Niku to cheat something. Call me a fucking hairless cat again, and then I'm leaving. Calling it a day.
Nah, don't worry. You just need to call him a border collie, and he's riled up.
Yo, you can't tell me out on Discord, yeah.
Facts. If gold could move up here, I would actually not mind that at all.
Yeah, but yes, dude, everything doesn't have top or bottom wicks. Yeah. Go to the 5 minutes, and are we moving up without a top wick, without a bottom wick?
Oh wow. Yeah, the previous 5 had no top or bottom.
Oh no, sure, this is ugly.
I mean, if we do form support here at 1630, we move back up to test resistance or get that top wick on the hourly, and then we close below support at 1630. I don't think that setup will be too bad, but that might take some time.
I don't know if he's serious here.
I don't know either.
Yeah, his Kiara, I don't know how to say that name, is asking, do we have any setups yet?
Wait, I'm not see. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Nah, not really. Still waiting here. There's 20 minutes until London Open. We'll see if we get some volume. But right now, gold looks good, but there's no top wick on this hourly candle, which is creating some problems in our life right now. So we just need to stay patient. The diamond shadow caller center.
No, dude, we're trying to wait for the dinosaur pattern.
Oh yeah, that dinosaur. I wonder if I can find it on my laptop.
Yeah, dude, that is the OG pattern of patterns there. That's the coolest.
Yeah, 100% win rate.
Yeah.
But have you seen those videos where the guys like take their pencil and they just go over a pattern, and it has a stupid song in the background?
Dude, it's so dumb, man.
Those videos annoy me. So that dinosaur one where they actually like ripped it apart, it was hilarious.
Yes. No, honestly, those where they have that stupid pattern and then it's back tested patterns that they go and find, then they act like they work and they're like, oh, buy my patterns. Like, it's so dumb, dude. Yeah.
Buy my patterns, like you created it.
Yeah. Yes. There was also, I remember there was one guy running ads on YouTube for a while, and then his whole stick was, he's like, I figured out 3 patterns that absolutely rip money out of the market, 100% win rate, but I'm gonna give you guys one of them for free, and if you want the others, you can buy the patterns. And I was like, man, this guy's an idiot. Like, fuck it up. Yes.
Now I need to find this video so chat can see. There we go, I'm gonna get it. What?
Who's Colin there?
Oh, Shake, you're talking about Colin Abrams again.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it's a guy who's run ads on YouTube and All of
Your
that for some
brother.
time. My long lost uncle.
Before Connor takes a winning trade, he calls him and just says, "Hey, can you just move the markets a little bit?"
Yeah.
I'd appreciate it.
I don't know my Instagram password.
I wouldn't say it out loud if I were you. When you do figure it out. Jared, he's the OG. I don't know what shake is going on about this audio. Dude, I think he wants these hands.
Chat. I think I'm gonna show you that video tomorrow once I figure out my Instagram password. But anyway.
See, old Niku jumped in the Discord, eh?
Is he on? Yo, Nico, how are your legs feeling?
Shady's asking, is Forex the only thing you do for a living?
And I sell crack cocaine. No, I'm joking. Yeah, it's all I do at the moment.
He also takes me for a duo, so he's quite good at that.
Nah, that's Shaker, not me. I'm also a professional golfer. That's what I do part-time. Part-time professional trader, part-time professional golfer.
Did you see the pattern Steve sent to the Discord?
Let's have a look.
Oh, that's a solid one, eh? Wow.
Yes.
Even someone got an ambulance, cars, a guy in a wheelchair, house.
Well, it played out on Bitcoin, so I mean, I'd say that's a pretty good pattern. Wait, I know how I can get this Instagram video. Bro, US 30 sells. I'm not gonna have a look at US 30 now. Well, I'm not gonna be taking any trades on it. If you want to, you can send a chart. We'll have a quick look. Daily, nice and bearish. Yeah, it looks like we're just consolidating a little bit. Maybe you want to break below this support for sales. Oh, that's what I would want to see. Otherwise, price is just in a range right now. Full-time boyfriend. How did you know him? This is Nico.
You hear me?
Yeah, what's up?
It's on fun.
Yeah?
Like the fun and yours.
Yes, sis.
Yeah, you gotta
Speak
feed
loud.
there. Wait, Con, I found the pattern on gold, eh?
Wait, I'm gonna look at the Discord now. I'm also sending something. Nah, this is getting out of hand. This is getting out of hand.
Like, don't you want to bring it up on screen?
I think everyone in chat needs to send their best dinosaur pattern chart. Yeah, best dinosaur pattern will win the giveaway.
Oh, it's one gangster, but even as a cat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude. I should have put on his cap YMCMB or something. What is that thing?
Yeah, YMCMB.
YOLO.
Young money, cash
YOLO.
money.
Yes.
Wait, but tell me, Connor, does this sound better or does my phone sound better?
This sounds a bit better.
Yeah, this sounds a bit better.
But it's still got a little bit of that static.
Oh, shit, I think I'm gonna put that. My laptop. It's phone or laptop. Not a fucking choice.
Oh yeah. And then this is good.
Yeah.
Nah, I think my dinosaur takes a cake, dude.
Oh wow.
Oh, this fucking
I think only if you've been in the trading space for some time, when you've seen what's out there, that'll be funny to you. Otherwise, you're probably wondering what the fuck.
Oh goodness. Do you see what Seth A said?
Wait, on Discord.
Yo, dude, I wouldn't bring that up on stream.
Wait.
yes.
What's your name on YouTube chat?
Oh, good. That fucking Pikachu's excited in the morning, eh, bud? Yes.
Nah.
But this is in community charts and not just like fucking not talking shit. This is actually charts.
Oh, it is a chart.
No,
dude.
that's what I'm saying.
$300 course right there, dinosaur patterns.
Then what Pokemon patterns, bro? That's it, yeah, Pokemon. Pikachu's Pokemon. Yeah, it's Pokemon. Fuck me. What is Yu-Gi-Oh for a second? Were you ever into that shit, bro?
What?
I don't know, like Pokemon or Yu-Gi-Oh or any stuff like that.
Not really. Like, we played a little bit at school, but it was never anything serious.
Yeah, also it was like in primary school, everyone had like Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but I was never like too serious about it. Does anyone remember those metal discs that you used to get in the chips?
Oh yeah, I remember those. Those are the OGs, yeah.
Yeah, I spoke to my girlfriend about it, and she said she doesn't know what I'm talking about. So I just said, sorry, it's before your time. And she gets so annoyed with me.
How old is she?
On the dates, underage kids, that's
Nah,
why.
she's 20,
I'm joking. Okay, don't shoot me. I'm joking.
19, 20, somewhere around there.
But she'll see a pop-up in chat now. This will say something.
No, she's sleeping.
Oh, thank
She's
God,
out.
bro. Thank goodness. Anna,
Yeah.
you like being accountable for me?
What, you want a post club?
No, I just want to start being my fish. I don't feel like waiting till after the session. I've just been up from fucking early, bro. I had to take my dad to work. Hey, Dad, did you go look at your what messages on
on Discord.
I was extremely bored last night, so don't take it with a pinch of salt. I think that's fucking saying.
Oh yeah, no, I saw it just now. But I was busy getting ready for the stream.
I thought you.
Okay, Con, I've sent my entry to the best dinosaur pattern there.
I've been sitting there drawing fucking pictures all.
That's what Jared's been doing the whole time.
Dinosaurs though, bro. Why don't a whale make more sense? I get the dinosaur as a pattern, but like whale.
It's meant to be ridiculous. I think that's the point.
no.
It's just meant to be stupid.
To be a whale for money. Money.
Jared, why does your dinosaur have penis for feet?
They pig's feet, okay? No, but I think mine wins. I accept cash prizes. Yeah.
Well, I'm CMB, baby.
Why is he smoking even now? Yes, sir.
Question is, why isn't he?
Yo, bro, Shaika is a fucking autistic. Hey, look at this drawing. My goodness. He can draw very nice. Shaika.
Yeah.
Yo.
Just Jared.
You even put your name in the only editing this man did was
What the?
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
God is the cutest
see
looking
that
dinosaur.
Well, it sounds like I think when they join it. Fuck, bro. Yeah.
Okay, guys. We have London Open coming up. And my power is also coming back on at 9. So if nothing's setting up, best believe I'm gonna go make myself something to eat quick.
Did I say, did you see the thing I sent this morning though? I'm not talking about last night's one. When I sent about the lower time frame.
Oh no.
Go look at the trend line thingy. From the trend line. Remember the trend line I had in? I had
Oh,
that trend line in before already, remember?
I want to actually put this in here and have a look.
Can you zoom in on that thing or not?
What do you mean?
Like on the picture I sent you, can you zoom in to at least see like, or does it show it like shit?
No, I can see it. Yeah, I can make it
30
full
minutes.
screen.
You're on a 30 minute with your chart, I'm just saying, I think mine's based off an hour.
Oh, yeah, there was also this. Yeah, I mean, we definitely could pull back and test these previous support areas. And then you'd be retesting that trend line as well. No, you said trend lines are cuck. I like them.
This is my fucking chart is colorful, like, my goodness. So I just came off yours and just went into mine and then, yeah. Anyway, what is this?
Like a
general?
rainbow.
They levels though. Those levels do matter.
Yeah, they do.
I mean, if you look at the other analysis, you'll see what I'm saying.
We've
2
got-
weeks time, we're gonna go look at that other chart of mine.
Yeah. When we get back to pre-COVID times.
What the fuck am I reading? I
Ah.
know how Golf retest. What?
How high golf retest up before down? Oh, gold. Yeah, you're gonna have to
You talking
ask
about gold?
Jerome Powell. I'm not too sure. You'll find out when I find out.
No, gold retest up before down. What did it go to now this morning?
Yeah, just about tap 35, eh?
I say 1667, bro. It's gonna be the new range level.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe if today's
16,
candle
14.
closes strong,
No, not
bullish,
today,
67.
I'm just saying the new range is 67 and 14. That's all. I'm not saying today, tomorrow, the day after. I'm just saying new range. One day Jared will kick my ass for sure. Are you guys fighting with Shaker? Oh, Chad.
Chad. Oh god.
Nah.
Yeah, I mean that is basically the range we're in.
And more. Need to Jared.
Bro, he sent a photo to the Discord, so that's why he's raving on stream now.
No. How do I send? Wait, let me figure it out. Yes, so Seth is booming your hotel lobby, bro. Seth is jamming out to music at the moment.
Bro, this
Seth, you meant
is
to be listening to us, bro.
Stev.
You Seth, hey, you Steph.
What? No. I'm saying this dinosaur here is Stev. Shaker said it's Jared, but it looks more like Stev to me.
Yeah, but we've still never seen Steve.
Oh, he said he's 6 foot and he's jacked.
No.
So
I call Cap because he didn't want to video call us.
No, I'm also in my mind he's 5'2" and 30 kilos.
You have to make yourself feel better, or
Please, sir. Hey, I've got enough attacking going on from Shaker. I don't need you to do it as well.
hey, Shaker, leave Jared alone.
Exactly, sir. Hey.
Jared's
Guys,
like that. Did you hear him, Connor? He's like, exactly. Have you seen those guys in the club standing behind the bigger guy? Yo, fuck you.
yeah.
You lucky he's holding me back, and then your mate's like, no, dude, I'll get out the way. You
While
can
he's
go
standing
fight him.
behind
Oh,
me.
no, bro.
I am the type of oak that if it's a one-on-one, I'll tell you, yeah, Jared, go stand in front of me and go fight him, bro. Mate, jump in, yeah, different story. One-on-one, you gotta get the mood, my boy. Either you do the mooring or you get moored.
I'm alright, eh?
It's 30 seconds here until London Open. Let's hope we get some volume because right now price is just sitting here on GJ, ranging on the 15 minutes. Gold, yeah, I would like to see us push back up to maybe 1632, 1633, and then maybe we can get involved in on the hourly flip. We'll see. Yeah, of course I remember Lupiwe. What do you mean, do I remember Lupiwe? Like, I was like my best friend. Watch this candle go down with no top wick. Where are you from, Tato? Did you go to Subone as well?
Can you do me a favor, please, Connor, bro?
Yeah.
I'm gonna break something. Please send that. I just want to send those 2 charts to our general group in Forex, not in your thing, not in Monster Money.
Mm-hmm.
I see I sent it directly to you, so I was about to ask Jared something, but he hasn't seen it. Now I don't know how to forward it to you, so if you can just forward it, just send it to our general group. Where Jared sent his like DJ shit. Oh, the YouTube, like the live on the laptop is not nice, dude. It's more delayed than your phone.
I'm gonna have a look on Discord now if I can send it. I can't do it on the laptop. Hey, what's up, Blue P? Ziri. Oh, Ziri, baby.
She's con reminiscing.
Yeah, I used to play tic-tacs with that guy. Remember those little skateboards?
Dude, those were so dope.
Back in primary school. Okay, yeah, I think for anything here on gold, I might want to just see us push up a little bit higher, like I say. Retest this resistance area, basically. GJ, still ranging here on a 15 minute. I need to see a closure above 168.660 for any trades here on GJ.
You must got and you're gonna get muted, bro.
Ah, there's my power.
Our power's gonna get cut soon. No, not just yours.
I had load shedding from 4 to 6 this morning.
You know what happened to me yesterday?
Yeah.
With the power from 3 o'clock. So I had load shedding 6 to 9. They put the power off at 3 because, I don't know, they were working on some shit. And then it was off until 9.
3 to 9.
3 to 9.
Yesterday.
Oh, that's solid.
Way
Yeah.
too fast, bro.
So swag.
After our nice day, when I get home to that bullshit, bro.
Yeah, gold. As we break lows here, we may just push.
Probably gonna fold the candle to the side of the pro, but we can't get entry or setup from that, now can we?
Yeah, no, I'm not too convinced. The other thing is, I mean, your 4 hour is actually sitting right at support here. So we need to be careful as well with that. We could easily reject this area. Maybe, let's have a look at 1628. Yeah, no, it's actually quite tough here. That 4 hour support could definitely be a problem.
I'll figure it out. Barrett?
Yeah.
No, sorry, I was just looking at myself. Okay, I'll just send that cut I sent to Connor privately. I'll send it to the group. So,
Okay. Oh, yeah.
I get to punch yourself. Like I said, I was
Yeah,
off.
no, I get you. Thanks, Jess.
I sent the link to the WhatsApp group. I couldn't send the photo.
I got it right. I figured it out.
Okay.
It's in the general group and our Forex group on Discord.
Oh, yeah.
Miss Garden, do you have your charts inverted? Because DXY is moving up right now.
Oof.
Imagine she realizes it's inverted.
I mean, maybe.
It would be so funny, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. The whole week just having badass trades, bro. Wondering what the fuck's going on. Inverted chart.
Sure, that'd be rough, eh?
I think for some people, if they inverted their charts, they'd probably start making good trades.
Oh, dude. Shots fired, eh?
Wow. Deep. Connor Banks. Yeah.
Eh?
Connor Banks. Wayne in the chat. Connor Banks.
Oh.
What now? Why would you say that?
Shots fired, that's why.
Yeah, no, yes.
Oh, no, I wasn't even thinking of anyone in particular.
Shit, Connor.
I'm just saying, in general.
She's gone. Are you 21? Because you're a fucking savage this morning, eh? But I'll be back in a second, eh?
Okay, cool. Yeah, I think I'm also gonna. I'll be back in like 2 to 5 minutes. GJ is not really doing what I want. Gold, it's moving without us here. What can you do? Alright, so yeah, just give me 2 minutes, guys. I'll be back now.
Start that book you're doing. It's Think and Grow Rich. I was curious. I've only read 10 pages into that book I sent you, the PDF file book, not the audio. So, Zander, bro, that could be like a liquidity grab, depending on what exactly you're talking about. But I think you're speaking about a liquidity grab. I took a look, Zander. I don't really see this big wick you're speaking about, dude. If it's recently, then I don't see it. But if it's further back, I mean, no wicks, bro. What exactly are you talking about? You're saying big wicks. If you want, you can send your chart in the Discord. Oh, so you're not talking about massive wicks, you're talking about these kind of wicks. Okay, that's not that big. You mean like if it's just bouncing off a support or resistance? Like if there's multiple, then that's just like bouncing off resistance. If candle closes through that level, then I mean that's more confirmation. But if it's just wicking to that, that's probably not going to break it, and then I mean it's more confirmation that's going to turn. But if you're speaking about big ass wicks, like I'm talking about like 70 fucking pips can like a wick, goes to the level, comes back, body closes or flips, small, then it's a liquidity grab. But if you're seeing like wicks like this, that's literally just testing that level. And like I said, if you get a body closure through it, confirmation is going to carry on in that like range, in that direction. But if it does just carry on making wicks, wick, eventually, I mean, that's kind of clear confirmation that whatever's driving it up is kind of getting kicked out now. The market's going to turn back down. There's no sell stop, Kobe, bro. What are you talking about? Why not have a... Oh, sorry, why not? Sorry, I read wrong. Respected. I mean, like I said, you need a body closure to through that level to... Level won't be broken until body closes through it, and then you'll kind of wait for like a pullback, then a wick creates it, and then get in on a bar like if it was a up, like a bullish trend. Even if there's wicks on a level, bro, like you need to wait for like a body closure through it. So just depending on your time frame and what you look at, but like a 30-minute to an hour breakthrough, then it closes through, like that's confirmation. But like you get a lot of 30-minute fake outs. So like if it's two 30-minute candles, you might see a 30-minute body close through the level, past the wicks and all that, but then it's just a fake out, and the next 30 drives it all the way back down. So then you would have wanted to wait for an hour like closure, basically. I guess it just depends on the setup.
What does long wicked candles mean at a zone? Alright, so for
oh, bro, my stream is so delayed. Connor, like I just heard your voice and there was no one talking. Yo, it was weird, dude.
what?
I didn't see your face on the YouTube video. I just heard your voice talking.
Okay, well, long wicked candles at a zone, for instance, like this,
Connor,
could potentially mean rejections. What?
Oh, okay. He's not talking about like liquidity grab, eh? He's talking about like these that you're looking at now on the side, yeah. I thought he meant like a big ass fucking wick. He doesn't.
No, I think could I answer that one if you don't mind?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so if you have support being created, and then we break above a resistance and we leave a wick, what that could possibly mean if the candle still stays bearish is that there's buyers coming into the market, they've pushed it to a certain price and they're not yet comfortable to continue on buying. So they've got out of positions. So usually when that happens and the candle has stayed bullish, you'll come down, create a support. Then once you go and fill that wick, it means the buyers are retesting that price there to continue on pushing up. So you can see at the 6 a.m. candle, obviously we came up, broke above resistance, left a long wick, then created a support, then went and filled it, which means that buyers are currently testing that price. But it's a different story if now you tap into a zone with a bullish candle, you come back, flip bearish, and then it closes bearish. That is the difference between testing price and grabbing orders in order to come back down. So you just need to see on the wicked candle if you've flipped bearish or if you've stayed bullish. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Now, listen, look at Kobe's question, but bro, don't you lose the opportunity then for all of this confirmation? And that's exactly where we are taking the highest probability trade. So we're waiting for confirmations.
Yeah, so if now you wait for confirmations, all I see it as is we looking for reasons not to take trades until we're given a trade that there isn't a reason not to take it. So if it doesn't fill what we're looking at, we won't take it, because then it could just mean that, okay, this is a low probability trade. So the way I look at it is I need to be given reasons to trade instead of, well, I need to be given all the reasons not to trade in order not to trade, if that makes sense. And until the market presents an opportunity where I'm like, okay, there isn't anything that's stopping me from trading because this looks like a good trade. But if it doesn't tick all your boxes, don't take it.
I was busy talking and then like Jared started talking And I'm like, hey Jared, you fucking rude, eh? And I realized I was muted.
Oh fuck.
Nah, sorry.
No, it's
I just wanted to say, Kobe, the thing is there were a lot of confirmations to not take this trade as well. Alright, if you look at your previous 4-hour candle, we closed quite strong bullish. We've had a rejection to some critical areas here to the left. Now, this current 4-hour candle has come down and tapped into this 4-hour support. So at this point, we may see rejections off of this area, and this 4-hour candle could flip bullish. So that's one thing, that 4-hour support right there. That told me, okay, no, maybe it's best to stay out of this. Plus, we had this previous hourly candle with no top wick, and we discussed this earlier, saying that this will present some problems with sales here today. And I was wanting to see a top wick being formed. I wanted to see a steep top wick on this new London Open candle, and then potentially, if we did that, that would have been maybe an extra confirmation to get involved in on a flip of the candle. Alright, but we've already broken lows here, we've already pushed down into this 4-hour support. So at this point, sell ideas are pretty much invalidated. And as you can see here on the 5-minute, we are respecting this 4-hour support quite nicely. Of course, we are bearish. We could see gold move down, but like I say, there's a lot of things telling me to stay out of this trade, and it's just not worth my money.
I just see wicks as being like, if you see a bunch of fucking wicks on a range, then you know that the way the bodies are gonna close is the way it's gonna choose direction, basically, in a sense. So,
Like right here.
my stream is so delayed, and I have no idea what you're talking about. Like, if I'm honest with you, I don't know what's going on with my stream. My laptop doing shit, dude.
Refresh YouTube.
I'm gonna eat YouTube. I was not saying to you.
Because mine's on points. Maybe you just, when you started it up, it loaded, and then you're like 15 seconds behind. Because I can see what he's talking about.
No, like, that's what I'm saying. I know it's not his stream. I know it's Marshall.
Yeah.
I'm getting a lot of patience in my trading because of you guys. Thank you so much.
Hey.
Yeah, keep it up, Luke. I see you every day, bro. Keep it up.
What are you drinking, Connor, by the way?
A smoothie.
Like a shake. Smoothie or a shake?
Smoothie with whey protein in it.
There's candles. Sorry. Candles having longer wicks during lower volume. It honestly does depend, because you can have times of volume where price will move with a very small body but incredibly large wicks, but generally an indication of low volume doesn't really depend on the wicks per se, but more the range you're in. So if you go and check, let's just say yesterday from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock, we can see that obviously that was low volume because we just wicked up and down in a range, and we never had the volume to break it until 5:30 coming into 6 o'clock, where we eventually broke down bearish. So generally small bodies with large wicks show that we have volume but no direction.
I mean, if this bitch closed like this now on the hour candle on gold, and it closed through that level with the body through the level underneath it, and there's a big fucking wick like that, I mean, it's kind of clear that it's going to fill the wick before it does come back up. If some shit happens, like news or something comes out and then pushes the market straight up, yeah, that's different. So
Yeah.
if you pull back in a wick, like let's say that was a full body to the bottom of that wick, and the last 5 minutes, 3 minutes of an hour candle pulls back and creates that wick going up, that's probably a clear indication too that the bearish market is done. It's exhausted and it's going to probably turn and go up. I mean, you just need to learn the candles, like, in a sense. See what happens.
Let me give my 2 cents on wicks, because just to keep it simple, alright,
More than 2 cents.
wicks can either be a rejection or a destination. That's how you could view it. So, for instance, if let's say we are bullish here on gold, alright, and we have a bullish candle closure with a wick to the top, alright, and we have volume. We're moving bullish, we have volume, we've got a wick to fill to the upside. This could potentially now be a target. So you can see how price filled this wick. So this was a destination. This was a target. But now if you're looking at potentially an area of resistance, let's say, in this instance, right over here, price formed resistance right here. Okay, we went down. As we came back up to this level, you saw these wick rejections to this resistance. So those wicks right there are indicating rejections. So like I say, to keep it simple, you've got rejections and you've got possible destinations, which we would call a wick fill. You can see another wick fill right here. It wasn't as clear, but you had a wick right here, and it eventually got filled with this price action. And you can even see we formed resistance once we filled that wick right over here.
Yeah, but also just one thing to add to that is remember when a market pulls up, creates a top wick or even a bottom wick, it's grabbing orders to get a better price for people to come down and sell. So the only way we can see that is that obviously the candle flips after having, let's just say a top wick. So that's why generally we wait for top wicks to be formed, because it shows that we've grabbed those orders and it's decided, okay, cool, with these orders now we're going to start moving down. So then it just adds to the confluence of it's grabbed orders, it's got more selling pressure, now we're going to flip and go down in the direction we're looking to go. What's better, SMC or SJC? I have no idea what those are.
Price action.
Uh,
Straight. What's up, Sakir? Doing pretty well, thanks, and yourself. And this right here is why we didn't take sells. This 30-minute candle is closing in 6 minutes. If you close bullish like this, we could definitely see price come up and create that top wick for that previous hourly candle. So if you're stuck in sells at this point, expect to see further drawdown. This is why we didn't take sells. Okay, nah, if you are in sells, I hope they play out. I do, because I mean, I'm not in bars or anything, so for chat's sake, I hope your trades play out, guys.
But you see that hour candle with the no top wick, bro. I've seen it too much. Yes, the next candle might even close bearish, but then it comes back. It comes for that wick.
Smart Roger concepts. Yeah, Zana, probably Smart Roger concepts. Where would you have your stop loss? I'm not sure what it depends on the situation.
He's talking about that the wick fill you showed, bro. It would be outside the range. It would be underneath the range.
Yeah, all the way back there.
And that's what I'm saying. I don't think you can just find that easily.
No.
Always want your stop loss outside the range, bro. So that's why you gotta manage your lot size. So that your stop loss, if it is bigger, at least then it's still the same amount of loss.
Yeah, I mean, these examples I was showing were not necessarily tradable opportunities. They were just examples.
No, it's not. That would be previous candle low. Are you gonna? What do you think?
Yeah, I would say previous candle low. I mean, you always want to be
Low is
looking
good.
at structure anyway, so we're putting our stops above or below the previous candle generally, or above the high, above resistance.
Don't put it underneath bodies. Put it underneath wicks because the wick's there for a reason.
Yeah.
So, you know, I used to do that. I used to put my stop loss always right by the body, never underneath the wick.
I mean, sometimes it might make sense, but for the most part, I think it makes more sense to put it above the wick.
I agree 100%. But I mean, like,
Gracias. The bigger the stop loss, the smaller the lot size. Thank you, Kobe, for that. That is very powerful information. I always tell you guys, if the ranges are bigger, if there's a lot of volume, lower your lot size, because we could have a 50 pip stop, which sounds very big, but if that's where our stops need to be, that's where they need to be. So just lower your lot size.
when I type on the laptop, can you hear that shit?
Yeah. Can you guys hear these notifications coming through? Maybe I need to turn this off.
You can't ask me, bro, to be honest. I have no sound on except Discord, so I can't help you. Jared?
No, I can't hear them, man.
Okay.
Connor, come and show you something quickly, bro.
How good is toasted banana? What the hell, Steve? Yeah?
That's good, bro. I think also it's good. But you're gonna see the message I sent you. Let's go look at the charts I sent in our group. Then look at that level up, that trend line I put in. Like I put it in like maybe 2 hours ago. That level. Look how it tested that.
Which one?
You'll see like where this the current week that just happened. The bottom of it, you'll see I put in a trend line up on that level.
Oh, that little one there.
Little one, yeah.
Yeah, I see
Put
it.
that in like 2 hours ago, and it literally went and tested that again. Bro. So I just broke it down a bit more, just made it small. That's what's so small. I just wanted to see like that level alone.
Yeah. Yeah, this 28 level is definitely an important area. 16, 28. Yeah, I have a line very close there. It's the 4-hour support.
Listen, firstly, what I'm going to tell you is that you are going to let me place Wayne's 33 resource as well. That's what I'm telling you. Yeah, not too far.
What now?
Let me place Wayne's chili sauce, is what I'm saying.
When do you make chili sauce?
Huh? Are you mad, Connor? This man just said he's going to send you a bottle of fucking chili sauce.
Oh, I never saw chat. Where did he say that?
Like, what? This guy said he's fucking growing chilies off his tree and he's going to send you some, bro.
Thanks, Wayne.
Wayne,
That's dope. That's
no,
dope.
you're not getting shit. Wayne, don't send him shit. He's ungrateful. Look at him. Doesn't even read his
What
back.
do you mean? I'll be super grateful, Wayne.
That's why he was talking about it. He said he grows his own chilies and then he makes chili sauce and it'll send you a bottle, and because we was talking about it.
Ah, sick. Thanks, Wayne.
You sell them or not?
This is how you get Connor's address.
What are you talking about?
What? I don't know.
You're not gonna get my address.
No, but how is he gonna send it to your house?
You can send it to the post office. I'll collect it there. Nearest post office.
Jeez, dude.
I don't have a house, guys. What are you talking about?
Things have been rough. Connor and I are homeless.
Man's in a tent in the wall right now, bro. A tent in Africa.
COVID hit hard.
Listen. $80 because Jared's so expensive. For $80, I'll give you Connor's address. All I'm saying. I'm going to Jared. Jared's $100.
If anybody's making money out of this, it's me, or else I'm just giving it for free.
You don't even know where he lives, to be fair. You know that. I thought about that as well, Connor.
Yeah, actually, that's true.
Bro.
That is true.
I know where he lives. He's gonna send me his what do you call it? His address
That's
when I come
okay.
down and visit.
Nah, Jared, we can meet at the post office.
Yeah, they blindfold me and drive me to your house.
Yes, I'll be with Connor blindfolding you. Best believe we're throwing you somewhere on the 150 fucking yards mark there on the driving range and you're moving balls.
Yeah.
Oh, Nico, don't even lie. You can't even hit that far.
Oh, shut
Nah, I'm
Listen,
joking.
you the one that
I'm
told
playing.
me I hit a 150, bro. So
Yeah,
like,
nah,
listen,
you hit
you
a
were the one
150
that-
yesterday.
Listen, you want to talk
Yeah,
smack?
guys.
You want to talk smack? Okay, let me just go.
I'm just
slow-mo that
raving.
one. Remember the one clip? I'm gonna slow mo it for you. Okay, Connor.
Oh, fuck.
Please send it to me, Nico.
I
Exposed.
wish you could see it, bro. I go to Connor, I get a club out the bag, I walk back, Connor fucks his shot up. I tell him, oh wait, I'm gonna put it in slow-mo and clip it. The way Connor turned around and looked at me, bro, like, wow.
And it's on
Hands
film.
on my mother. Yeah, but
Please
what
send
do
me
you
that
even-
video. Did you?
I'm gonna eat you, bro. I promise you, fuck, I'm gonna smack you. I sent you the whole 3-minute fucking video.
I didn't watch the long one. That's why I was asking.
That's the only video that we have. The other ones are clips from that.
Yeah, I just watched the clips.
No, but I'm saying the clips are from that, so that's in that video. That 3 minutes and 28-second video is the whole video I took. There's no more than that. You really can't see, by the way, that slow-mo thing I was talking shit about. You'll see me laugh after, like I saw you look back at me.
Oh, yeah.
Like before that, if you look at your shot, you'll see that your shot is not bad. It doesn't look bad on the video at all. So even if I slow-moed it, you won't notice shit.
But Oaks, with Wayne's small scale business beer, you must send it through to us when you want to support it.
You guys will add Connor's house in Google Maps and share the link in the chat. Oh wait, Chad, I got you now. Let me just quickly dollar. Wait, Wayne says you have a small scale business, sell to mates and work colleagues. Hey Wayne,
That's dope, Wayne.
small scale business, bro, and also sell to mates.
That's what I said, bro. I said we'd support it.
Wayne, would you consider us mates or work colleagues?
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Yo, I
What
was
is
saying.
that notifications I just heard, bro? What was that?
What
What's that? What was that?
are you what are you talking
Is that Discord for us that we just deal with?
Hey, I'm gonna
Chat
mute you
with
guys. Making a noise now.
us? I don't know what that. Who you talking to like that? I know where you live. Jared doesn't know where you live.
Border collies never stop barking. Yes.
Yeah.
You go read my message there above the
Yeah,
chart.
now, yeah, comes cock.
Oh, fuck my laugh.
Yeah, gold here. If we break these highs, I would expect us to drive up and at least create a top wick here. So I'll watch this play out, but right now looking like no trades for the day. I'm not going to stay on here too much longer.
Yeah, I'm gonna be off at 10.
Oh, no, at the end of the day, you no one's mate or work colleague, bro. You're the mentor for all of us at this point. That's fair to say. No. That's fair to say. Because who are we watching? Whose streams? Whose trades are we taking? Not a mate's trade. Yes, we mates that, but we were mates before this.
Yeah, okay.
So that's different. Feel. So Mr. Connor.
I won't give it a label.
Connor Abrams is a mentor.
Nah, I just trade and I do it live so that you guys can learn a thing or two.
Yeah, but you don't sit quietly. You explain everything, so that means you mentoring.
What do you mean? I'm talking to myself.
Oh, okay. Why don't you mute yourself and talk to yourself?
Don't you
Oh,
want to
actually,
enter a trade when it hasn't broke out of the range? So you can, no, I'd rather wait for it to actually break out of the range and give me that confirmation. I understand your thought process, but I think that's the wrong way to go about it. You need to wait for price to be breaking out of a range.
listen,
Yeah.
I'm gonna just. Sorry, I was gonna say this. Miss Gordon, bro, she's been funning on about 1 minute bars the whole time. She must have blown her account by now.
Where will it be? 30, 40? What?
I deleted a message earlier because she said bar gold now.
Yeah, gold sells, baby. Let's go.
No, Wayne, don't trust Chad, bro. Wayne, don't trust Chad.
A lot of volume here.
Stop loss hit there. How does a chili tree take? So it's like once a year thing. No, it's not. Isn't it like a 3-month thing? So like, you need chili sauce for the nursery. Shaker.
You can chat waiting for chili trees. For. Yeah, Wayne, you found a new supplier.
From India, but
Pan
proper
poke.
chilies. No, you don't have chilies. No, never mind. Don't bubble.
Oh, Shaker will supply the chilies. Wayne supplies the secret recipe. Nico, Jared, and I will fund the operation, and we make a chili sauce.
So we're funding it now.
Yeah.
How do we end up
I
funding
want to
it?
be part of this chili business.
How much percent are we owning?
69. Split 3 ways.
Fucking Wayne's gonna be left just grafting, doing the manual labor.
Now Wayne's gonna get the extra 31%.
The money chilies one time.
Okay.
The board gold is hurt right now. That's all I know.
Yeah, no. I said stick to sells, guys, on gold. Even though we could potentially see some retracement to, 1635, even 1640s, 1647. I would much rather just be waiting for these sell setups to occur.
Garden, maybe you should up your time frame, yeah? Maybe this 1 minute scalping is not for you. Maybe just change the time frame.
OMG dropped.
So
Yeah,
right now your emotions must be going quacked at those times.
quacked.
Yes, it's up, down, up, down, up, down. I mean,
Yeah, for anyone looking at lower time frames and, scalping the 1 minute, that's cool, but you need to be very aware of what's going on the higher time frames. So if you understand that our overall trend is bearish right now, these hourly 30-minute candles are all bearish. Just wait for the sells. If you want to take buys, maybe look for like a clean range moving up, maybe above like 1637. But even then, you got to realize where your targets will be. You're not going to have massive targets. I don't know, just focus on the higher time frames. On the weekly, we are very bearish. We're looking to complete this wick fill here on the weekly. Alright, where do I remove this? So we're looking for price to come down into 1615 on the weekly. we've got 2 days left of this week, so there's still a very high probability that we fill this wick. On the daily, we've closed bearish yesterday, very strong bearish candle. 4 hour, I know that we closed bullish on this previous candle, but you got to just understand that that's one candle in a trend here. Look at all of these candles. Look at this bearish momentum. That one little 4 hour candle, you know, doesn't mean all that much. By the end of the day, we could easily be tapping into 1620 here. We had some Fed speakers last night, so they're talking about raising rates at the next FOMC meeting, and you know, that's what I spoke about yesterday. We need to hear some new information, and by the sounds of things, they are wanting to continue to raise rates. So fundamentally, the dollar is very strong. Fundamentally, technically, there's no reason to be taking piles on gold. Here we go. Fed Kashgari spoke last night. Still working hard. Okay, this is all just about inflation here. Fed committed to getting inflation back to 2%. Dude, no chance to go up at all. If you are in bars, manage your risk. That's all I'm gonna say.
GJ doesn't even surprise me at this point, eh?
Yeah, I know. This could be, like I was speaking about earlier, some interventions from the Bank of Japan. These stealth interventions. I mean, this 1 minute candle was 40 pips. So something's going on. And yeah, we just need to be careful. Yes, Miss Garden, it's a free community. I'll also send breakdowns once a week, sometimes twice a week. But on Sunday, I'll send a breakdown for what we're looking for the week ahead and some key events. Yeah, guys, I want to be very careful on GJ at the moment. Gold, I think there's just a little bit of indecision here. Price is all over the place. Guys, I think I'm going to call it a day. Not taking any trades here. These 15-minute candles are not really showing me any possibilities here. GJ still in a range. Gold, yeah, also just in a bit of a range right now in the 15 minutes.
Yeah, I think I'm also gonna call it for the day.
Yeah.
A bit short, dude. Appreciate it. I'll check you boys tomorrow.
See you. Cheers.
Cheers, Nuku.
Sure, did I'll check you.
Cheers, bye.
I know, bro.
Yeah.
See some wax. Okay.
Let's see.
Go to your 15-minute, bro, and then just look at like maybe like 10 candles back. There's a 15 bullish candle with a big wick, and then look at the previous 15 quickly. Look how identical they are, just different directions, but both touching the range. They're both touching a support or resistance.
Like, yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of indecision around this level, 1630. GJ. Oh, I see.
Okay.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, this is tough. Very tough.
The ranges are different on GJ though. I'm seeing that now. What is your ranges based off on your GJ? What time frame?
The 30 minutes. You could actually, I could remove this level. I'm not concerned about this level. I only really want paths above 168, 660.
This is literally a no trade day.
Yeah.
1 hour on GJ is so cut too. It's ridiculous. It's in the same range.
Yeah, I mean, you got to realize the days that are no trade days. It's just, if you can figure out what days you should not be trading, it's going to save you a lot of money. So today, things are choppy here on GJ. Gold, I'd say direction is a little bit all over the place. At least for this session, there's no real worthwhile opportunity. So we're going to call it here. And thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you guys have a good New York session. If things are lining up, I'll send a breakdown for New York on the Discord. So keep an eye out for that. And I'll check you guys in the morning. Cheers, everybody.